face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's...
Hi guys, my name is Gaurav and you are watching my channel Yours Techie, and in today's video I'm going to unbox a new wireless headphones that I have bought from Amazon.in. Yeah, it's very unknown brand, or you can say it's very less known brand, which is Boltt Audio. So this is the box, and yeah, it's very huge. The box is very huge, so let me open it. Let me open the box. I'll be right back after I'll open it. So let's remove this tape. Yes, now it's opened. Yes, there is the headphones. At the bottom of the box there is written Unleash the Power Premium Wireless Over-Ear Headphones, and on the top right corner it has mentioned that it has Bluetooth 5.0 with crystal tone, and on the sides there are some features written about the headphones, like Bluetooth 5.0 to aux ports over the earpads, flexible headband and foldable design. And on the back side there is some frequency response graph and some more features like you would like to know. And it comes with one DJ cable, which I guess is 3.5 to 6.3 mm, and other is micro USB A cable to charge the headphones. So let me open the box. These are the headphones. Okay, I think I have to remove this cable. Yes, the box is empty. There is nothing inside the box. These are the headphones. Let me remove this audio cable. And this is surprise. Hola, you have won a free movie ticket. So let's keep it aside. And this is a warranty card, I guess. Yes, this is a warranty card. And there is some user manual. And it is a packet in which a DJ cable comes with, and there is nothing else inside the box. So let's keep it aside and take a look at headphones. These are the headphones. From the build perspective, yeah, it looks very great. Yes, it also feels very premium, and padding is also very soft. I have also used Boltt 510 headphones, which also has a nice padding, but it's really soft. This one comes with really soft padding, and I think it's foldable, I guess. Yeah, it has a foldable design, and headband is also very flexible. So this was my first impression of on the headphones, and from my first impression I can really say that yes, it's a worth buy headphones. But the full review of these headphones will be out on my channel shortly, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll also include an audio review in which I'll show you the songs, that how its audio quality is. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you like this video. Signing out, yours Techie. Have a nice day.